up guys, welcome back. I'm Marvel Pop Addict and welcome to the channel. Today we have Pop in a Box. So for those of you who don't know, Pop in a Box, it's a website. They do like a monthly subscription box. They'll send you out one pop or two pops or how many,
depending on your subscription.
Well, depending on your subscription, how many pops you want. So what I have is the classic subscription. So you go through like a list, you pick which ones that you want for your collection, which ones you don't want, or which ones that you've already got, and they'll just kind of send you pops based on that. So I was doing the Marvel pops, but I stopped that and started getting classic. So this is my subscription. There's two pops in here. One of them could potentially be the Disney exclusive. Keep my fingers crossed that we have it. So I'm just going to get straight into this. I don't have my knife with me today. It's all the way over there. I can't really be bothered to go get it. Because we are just on our way out the door to go to work. So this is a quick one. So we are in. And that's what's in there. So I'm going to pick them both out one at a time. I won't take them out of the boxes. As I say, we're in a rush. So number one we have...
It's Randy Marsh.
Oh my god. Yes mate. That's brilliant. We were just watching South Park. We have Randy Marsh. There is a little bit of box damage there. There's a little kind of nick there, but yeah, I'm not too bothered. That is an awesome pop. This was one I've been keeping my eyes out for a while. I'll change my mind. I'm going to take this out of the box. So that's Randy Marsh. Oh my days, that looks amazing. As I said, this ain't Marvel unboxing because I don't really want the Marvel subscription, but well, I do, but I'm saying one or the other. So that is Randy Marsh from South Park. That one can go there, and I'm just taking the other one out of the box. There, close my eyes. And we have the exclusive. It's a Pinocchio Pop in a Box exclusive. And to be fair, I knew it was Pinocchio, but...
Got a little Jiminy Cricket on his...
Yeah, he's got a little Jiminy Cricket on his nose. That is really, really awesome, actually. Let's take this one out of the box and have a closer look. So, that is Pinocchio with Jiminy Cricket on his nose. I wasn't too sure about this pop at first, but I actually think it's quite cool. I think this will go with your lot, though.
Yeah?
If you want it with your lot.
Not that I've actually got many Disneys now.
You've got, well, most of it is Disney. Zero is Disney, Sully is Disney.
Well, so, yeah, but like I thought you meant on mine.
Well, it can go with yours or it can go with Pop's. Yeah. So that is the Pinocchio Pop in a Box exclusive. And we have the Pinocchio Pop in a Box exclusive. This is exclusive to subscribers only. You can't just straight up buy this one off the site. You have to be a subscriber. From what I can tell, there's still time to do a subscription, and you'll have a chance of getting this one. So if you like what you see, go for it. There's a link down below, and I think you get like 10% or something like that off your first order. So let's just summarise. We have Randy Marsh from South Park and a Disney Pinocchio Pop in a Box exclusive. So I'm very happy with that box. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you like what you've watched, don't hesitate to subscribe as usual. Like, share, comment, ding the notification bell for more updates, and
subscribe.
Yes. So just keep watching, and we'll have more stuff up when we have it. So until the next time, I'm Marvel Pop Addict. Catch you on the next one.